Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to create a homepage banner in Shopify using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to the Sidekick, then expand it. Here we can ask how to create a homepage banner in Shopify. Click on enter. Now it is processing. So now it is suggesting some ideas and steps. So we can follow these steps and create the homepage banner. Then first go to the online store. Then click on edit theme. So here we can click on the image banner. So here we can change. Click select from library. Here we can add files. We can take this. Then click on done. So the image has been changed here. So now we can change the heading text. So here we can ask the sidekick. You can draw. Now it give a text. Discover your next favorite find. So we can bold. Click on bold. So to make it bold, we can make it italic or not. Can change their heading to big. So now we can set the button. You can change this. You can change this button to so we can take it, grab the tail, or we can select explore collection, copy, then paste. So it is changed. Then so now we can click on save. So it has been changed. So this is how you can easily create a homepage banner in Shopify using Sidekick. You can try customizing it with your own image and text to match your brand. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.